Good day, students. My name is Mrs. Afebwame from Maths Department, FGC Port Harcourt. I'm here to teach mathematics and the topic is factorization. My objective: at the end of my lesson, students should be able to factorize. I will start with example 1. Example 1 says, factorize s minus a into bracket 3s plus 2a minus x minus a raised to power 2. If you look at this expression, it is divided into two parts. The first part contains s minus a, 3s plus 2a, and the second part contains s minus a raised to the power of 2. So look for what is common, the common factor of the two parts, and the common factor is s minus a. So therefore the x minus a, which is the common factor, will stay outside the bracket. Then use this common factor to divide each of the parts. When you use x minus a, which is the common factor, to divide x minus a into bracket 3s plus 2a, you are going to achieve 3s plus 2a. Then when you use s minus a to divide s minus a raised to power 2, you achieve s minus a. Don't forget that your minus will multiply s to get minus s, minus will multiply s to get minus s, and minus will multiply minus a to get plus a. Then you now have s minus a into bracket 3s minus x, which will give you 2x. Then 2a plus a, which will give you 3a. So your final answer is s minus a into bracket 2s plus a. Then I will move to example 2. My example 2 says, factorize 3s squared minus 13s minus 10. If you look at this expression very well, the middle term is minus 13s, and the product will give you the first term multiplying the third term, that is 3s squared multiplying 10s squared, multiplying 10, and your answer is minus 30s squared. Then think of two numbers that when they multiply each other, they are going to give us minus 30s squared. And when you add these two numbers, you are going to achieve minus 13s. So these two numbers are minus 15x and minus 15x and 2x. These are the two numbers. So replace this middle term, which is minus 13x, with minus 15x plus 2x. So after replacing, then you are going to achieve 3s squared minus 15s plus 2s minus 10. The next stage is pairing. When you pair, you have 3s squared minus 15s, then 2s minus 10. Then look at 3s squared minus 15s. What is common? What is the common factor? 3s is common. 3s is the common factor. So therefore, divide 3s squared by 3s, you achieve s. Divide 15s by 3s, you are going to achieve 5. Then on the other part, 2s and 10, what is the common factor? 2. When you divide 2s by 2, you achieve s. When you divide 10 by 2, you achieve 5. So you now have 3x combined with these 2 to have 3s plus 2. Then you have s minus 5, and that will give you your final answer. I will proceed to example 3. Example 3 says, factorize 16a squared minus 25b squared. If you look at 16, it can be broken down into 4 raised to power 2, and 25 can be broken down into 5 raised to power 2. So therefore, difference of 2 squared can be applied. Difference of 2 squared states that s squared minus y squared will give you s plus y, s minus y. So if I have 4 squared a squared, it can be written as 4a all raised to power 2. Then if I have 5 squared b squared, it can be written as 5b all raised to power 2. Then applying difference of 2 square at this level, you have 4a plus 5b into bracket 4a minus 5b as our final answer. That is where we are going to stop for today.